Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. So I finally moved into my new abode and it's lush. It's absolutely lovely. I'm so happy with it. I am currently sat in my spare room. Never had a spare room before. Which is now going to be my makeup room and my dressing room, which it's kind of got to be done. So the look that I'm going for today is I wanted to do something quite bright, and I've gone for this aqua turquoise kind of colour. I think it's bright, it's fun, and it's summery, which is perfect for the summer that we're having at the moment. I don't think I've necessarily used anything new in this video. I think all the stuff that I've shown you has been stuff that I've actually used before in previous videos, or stuff that I may have showed you in makeup hauls that I've done. I think the only one that I think I used for the first time was my Primark Nudes collection lipstick. It's the shade Hypnotize. And it's in the Nudes lip collection. It's the High Shine lip gloss and liner. It's really nice. I do actually really highly recommend Primark lip glosses and lip kits, especially their matte. Their mattes are my favourite, but I am loving the High Shine lip gloss that I've currently got on. It's just a nice nude pink kind of colour, which is lush. I don't remember how much it was. It was £3. Price is still on there, man. Yeah, so that was super. Everything else I think I have showed you in previous videos. I haven't bought any new makeup lately. Obviously I've been moving, so I've been pretty busy trying to sort everything out and trying to get everything organised and trying to unpack and put everything away. I've gone from a very small place to quite a big place, so it's quite empty and I seem to have a lot of stuff and not enough places, things to put them onto. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely got some more to come. I know my laptop is currently playing up and I can't get it to switch on at the moment, so I'm hoping that that doesn't really alter my videos too much, but if I can't get that on soon, my storage on my phone will fill up, as I won't be able to upload my videos off my phone to my computer, which could work out to be a bit of a pain. Expect this video, because this is the only video I've actually got done at the moment. This should be up this coming Sunday at 6 PM usual time. If you do enjoy the video, then smash that thumbs up button just down below. And comment if you want to see any specific videos or any requests, or even if you just want a bit of a chat, then just comment down below and I will reply ASAP. Follow me on my Twitter, which is @Holly, that's Holly with an IE, _makeup. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is @holly.rutter. But most importantly, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of these videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I've got so much more to come and so much more to give, man. So for now, this is me. Take care.